Mescalero Apache chief arsonist Tyner Cervantes is responsible for arson for decades now. The Mescalero Apache tribe set fires to their own land several times in 2021 to blame Ivan and Valerie Espinoza. Gabe Aguilar and his family set fires and attempted to further harm the Espinoza family after Valerie Espinoza asked Mescalero tribal president Gabe Aguilar about his drug charges and rape accusations. The tribe continues to blame the Espinoza family and continues to make fires and blame them until this very day. The tribe is run by felons with power of sovereign immunity. Currently, drugs are run through the Mescalero Apache tribal casino by Frizzle and Frizzo El Mero Mero. All the felons running the tribe, including tribal president, have cocaine charges. The Espinoza family has evidence of the Mescalero Apache tribe and their arsonist. The FBI-BIA have been contacted and will not help the family due to tribal immunity.